going on, guys? It's me. I'm back. As you can see, the 31 is fixed, just about. So, down here at Conor's shop. There's Conor. Where's Conor? There's Conor. Say hello, Conor. And we are just doing the final touches. We're going to be adjusting the Panhard rod today. So, last weekend came over here, smacked it all out. Here's some like clips of us doing that. Yeah, car's driving perfectly thanks to Conor. So there's a few more things we need to do to it, but it's pretty much ready to go. So I just thought I'd make a little bit of an update video, show you what is going on, because last time I gave you guys an update video, I was giving up. But thanks to this man, we are back. We are back. So another problem that we had, well, I encountered last night was this. It's, the exhaust decided to delete itself from the extractors. So a few things to fix today, but the car is about 95% done. So Conor doesn't know, but I bought Conor some milk because he adores it. So just want milk that tastes like real milk. Go on, have a sip.
And only 2% fat.
Only 2% fat. So yeah, I thought I'd give him a treat, because apparently he loves milk. So give the man his milk.
Take 30 mil out of it.
Yeah.
We'll be too far that way, and then we can actually adjust it back, so you're within the range of adjustment rather than going all the way to one end like it is now.
Yeah, okay. So, there's two reasons why Conor's doing this. Number one, Conor knows what he's doing. Number two, he knows what he's doing.
That one also sounds fabricated.
Oh, we'll see. I have faith. Yeah, Conor has his own channel too, so if you want to go check him out, he does some awesome stuff. He's just currently coming down off the Game Boy camera craze, right? Very cool. He made a lens mount for a Game Boy, and it's very cool. And yeah, very creative man, so definitely go check him out. Do tell the viewers what's next.
This bit's been cut in half.
Yes.
We're now going to drill this out again and then weld it on 33 millimeters further down, because the wheel is 20 millimeters offset. So if we go 33 millimeters, it'll put us in the correct place with 13 millimeters of adjustment left.
Cool.
It'll be good.
Do you see why I've come to this bloke? He's a fucking genius. So just say that again. This lathe, when was this lathe built?
In 1966 in the Soviet Union.
Ah.
All the...
Oh my god. This is a cool thing about Conor's shop. He has some really cool stuff in here. So, just in sight, he's got police headlights on top of his Honda.
Police car's outside.
Yes, the police car's outside. This is the police car. It's a 4th gen Prelude. He's got like, some really cool shit in here. Oh, no way, you did it. You put it up. The poster. Put the poster up. So I gifted Conor a Streeto poster because I had a few left after giving the cast and crew one. That's awesome. Jeez, it looks good up there, doesn't it?
Cool poster. I like it. I like that it's matte instead of glossy.
Yeah, see? So I really thought about it when I was thinking about it. So like here, look, there's just a boat motor just sitting there. You're doing something with that, aren't you?
It's going in my drift car.
Say that again.
It's going in the drift car in the 3rd gen.
That's pretty cool.
It's 2 litre V4 2-stroke.
2 litre V4 2-stroke. You heard it here first. Well, you didn't hear it here first. It's on his YouTube channel, but yeah.
There's no actual way of showing it. You did hear it there first.
Oh, you have heard it here first. Conor is putting a boat motor in his drift car. There you go.
Yeah,
So it's Russian, but do you know what that means?
It's my lathe.
No, it's our lathe.
Ready? Go.
What have we done?
It's welded with the finest flux core.
Only the finest the motherland can
Finest flux
provide.
core. It's our flux core.
Our flux core. This is a very Russian-based video today, isn't it? Because Connor's obviously got a spray booth. Oh, look what he's got in the spray booth. It's a freaking Lada. Look at it. It's been primed. It's all ready to go. Very cool. Hoorah for Mother Russia. So now we've got the Panhard rod back in. Yeah, back in the bus she goes. So the we haven't done the exhaust yet, but the Panhard rod's in. Oh, you, James.
Yep.
YouTube, James.
Oh,
James,
hello.
YouTube.
How you doing?
Oh, and Nelson. Nelson, YouTube. Say hello.
So,
So we've got some helpers now, some more comrades. So yeah, I just want to show you how fucking loud it is. So. Yeah, prop. So as I was saying, yeah, we need to get that exhaust fixed. Pronto. So I didn't get to finish the video because my camera decided to die. But yes, we got the exhaust fixed and we got to adjust the Panhard rod, and let me show you what we ended up with. So yeah, this is it. Mk3’s are on. DARD looking very snazzy. Fitment's pretty good. Guards are untouched, which is pretty good. So yeah, thanks for watching. Car's back to before bin status now, which is good. Few announcements. Wakefield has been cancelled. Pretty, I don't understand why. I mean, there's reasons why, but Revolution Motorsport, the organisers, they've asked us not to weigh in on the subject because it can just make more publicity and whatnot. So I won't really talk about it much now. But yeah, it's the event's been cancelled. So out of respect for Revolution Motorsport, I won't talk about it too much. It's just they're working through the problem right now. Hopefully we can get drifting back, because I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do if we don't. So I'm also headed to Halfway Hangs this week. I'll be up there from the Thursday right through to the Sunday. Yes, because I think it's the Get Downs on Sunday, so I think I'm going to attend that. I'll be travelling up with Dory, obviously. His car's looking really good. They've worked a lot on it. They've done a lot of work to it to get it going. I've sort of just sat there and admired it all. So it'd be really cool to see that car on track. But yeah, things are moving forward nicely. Just after Halfway Hangs, I'll be releasing a few videos for that. But after that, it'll be more just settling down and beginning the long process of shooting Street 03. So I've shot a little bit, but we've got a lot of work to do between now and the end of the year. So yes, I did say that, the end of the year. It's not going to be released for a long time, so don't be sitting on your computer waiting for me to release it, because yeah, it's not gonna come in a hurry. I'm trying to do things a lot better than Street 02, and I'm trying to make things a bit more better. Got some big names confirmed, both behind the camera and in front. Obviously those names will remain unspoken till we start to get the ball rolling a bit more. But for now, it's we're gonna do another merch drop soon. That's all gonna be pre-order, so don't stress. You'll get your t-shirts. So yeah, Halfway Hangs, merch drop, and then yeah, pretty much Street 03. So that's my goals for the rest of this year. Don't really have much to do now. Sort of the drift event has been cancelled, so all of my focus has shifted to other things. So special thank you to Conor, James, and Nelson for helping out. Those guys are fucking awesome dudes. Be sure to check out Conor's channel. And if you like this sort of stuff, you want to see some more stuff, please subscribe, like, share with your mates, because yeah, I love making this sort of content. Take care, guys. Lots of love. Tom. Bye-bye.